Thank you for ordering your internet service. Please set up your account by following the instructions found in your welcome email.
Welcome to your new home. When you move in, you'll discover your pre-installed equipment. The larger item is your fiber modem SmartNid, and connected to it is a pod, which acts as a Wi-Fi extender. This equipment is usually found in a media panel, closet, or utility area, but they might also be mounted on a wall. Depending on your home's size and Wi-Fi coverage needs, you may find an additional pod plugged in somewhere in your home. Take a minute to check that this equipment is plugged in. If anything looks disturbed or damaged, you can stop here and call our fiber customer success team for assistance. When you move in, you'll want to connect your smart devices to your network. Here's how. Download the Quantum Fiber app on a smart device. You'll sign in to the Quantum Fiber app using your account name, which is your email address, and the password you created from the welcome email. Now, you'll create your unique Wi-Fi network name and password. Tap on network information from the app dashboard screen. Enter a name and password of your choice to connect your smart devices. You can come back to this screen to change it anytime. Now you are ready to connect your home's wireless devices, such as your smart TV, tablet, doorbells, and more. Simply go to your device's Wi-Fi settings, select your network name, enter the password, and tap Join.